Guys, this is Daniel Ming. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, in this episode I'm going to show you an unboxing video of my latest collection. Let me show you what I bought recently. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, this is the Toyota 2015 Hiace KDH200V KDH200V made by BM Creations Junior. Toyota 2015 Hiace KDH200V. This is my favorite van. I've been waiting for this casting for decades, and finally someone made it. Okay. Okay, let's see what's inside this box. Let's check it out. And before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or like my Facebook page for more video updates in the future. Thank you and enjoy the video. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, wow, beautiful. Oh, this is the latest facelift. Wow, oh, even the steering can turn. Oh my god. Ooh, that's cool. Rubber tires, fully die-cast, plastic base. Oh, it looks so cool, man. The rear door can open. Wow. How about the front? It cannot be open. Okay. Comes with some decal. I think this is for the bonnet. Carbon sticker. Okay, let me see. Oh, it also comes with some extra wheels. Wow. Wow. Okay. It's bigger wheels with low profile tire. Cool. What else? Wow. And aftermarket bumper, you see? Oh my god, it's so cool, man. You can customize it yourself. Oh. What's this? Oh, this is a rear mirror. I think it's attached on the rear door, I guess. Okay, what else? Let me see. A bonnet. Wow, look at it. I think this is the most coolest modification for the Hiace. It makes the front end look fiercer. What else? Let me see. A bumper. Wow. What about this? Oh, There's another side mirror. What else? Oh, side skirt. Ooh. Oh my god, real spoilers. This is so cool, man. Rear bumper. And what else? What is this? What is this? Not sure what is this. Front lip. Cool. I'll try to change the bumper and fix all the body kit. Okay, there's only one screw to remove. Wow, so tight. Oh, okay, it's simple as that. What is this? Okay, this is the original side skirt, I guess. Okay. And then this one. Then this. Okay, done. Now let's just swap the front wheel. Okay. This. Okay, done. Oh, beautiful. Okay, what to remove? Bumper. Oh. Cool. Okay, this is the side skirt. Side skirt. touch up a little bit, like the door handle. What else? And the rear handle, and probably the headlights. What do you think, guys? Beautiful, isn't it? For those who love Hiace, should get one for yourself. I think this is the best casting out there at the moment, with the where you can change the bumper, the rim, and even the steering can be turned. You can't find anything out there with this feature. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all for today. Thank you.